Okay, today we're here at Dairy Queen, or DQ, and it's been a while since we've come here, so there are lots of new things. But this is their one of their new blizzards. It's called Caramel Java Chip. This is a small size, and it is $5.79. So it has these little things. I don't know. This must be the chips. Oh, they're crunchy. The ice cream itself, or blizzard, tastes like Java. There's also chocolate chips in here too, not just the crunchy thingies. This kind of reminds me of the Arby's Jamocha almond fudge, or Jamocha fudge, whatever it's called. But this one has crunchy stuff in it, and chocolate chips. Oh, this one's really good. I like it. So I think I'm going to give this one a maybe an A plus. I do like those shakes from Arby's, so this one tastes very, very similar. But yeah, it's a hot day today, so it's already melting. Pretty soon it'll be a shake. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.